Hello and welcome to somewhat of a quarantine vlog. This is my nature video. It was interesting. Now my allergies are back and I took an allergy pill last night, but I can't take one for another 12 hours. So, it's fine. But enjoy my nature video quarantine vlog. I'm a tourist. My goal wasn't a tourist, but it's the only thing I found. Like, found this, and I was like, okay, cool. I wanted to be an adventurer, but like, no, I chose a tourist. Look at my hat. It's Forrest Gump. I could be a Mexican tourist. Cute. To the unknown. No, dog. Oh, neighbors. Hey, look, our friendly water fountain. It's cold. Nature. Nature. Bees.
You like jazz? You like jazz? You like jazz? You like jazz?
I look like an idiot. And neighbors are. What is it? A wall bush?
It's called the Texas sage.
Nature. Look, perfect. Nature. Hey, you should be my adventure buddy. Will you be my adventure buddy? I'll give you catnip. Giving you. Alright. Okay, backstory. Guess what? Nature's thriving right here. Why? Because, I don't know, but it's growing and I feel like that wasn't there before. Okay, I was back here like 20 minutes ago and it wasn't here. What the heck? What? I'm so confused. Whatever. Let's go check out the creek, guys. Backstory. The water was a lot clearer and then it rained. Oh my gosh, those are huge. I've never been able to see fish, and there's fish, and they're big. A creek. Let's see if we can find the fish. See? You see? Wait, where'd it? See? Look at them. They're huge. I've never seen them before. Oh, this is kind of exciting. Look, there's another one. Want to see something else cool? Hold on. Let's get too close to the edge. Want to know why? Erosion. Look, nature. Erosion. Nature. Look. Nature. Erosion. Yes, 2 weeks ago was not this much plants. Like, we were able to see all the way over here without any disturbances. But hey, nature's nature. It's thriving. Path to the field that we're not allowed to go in from the other people, but we do anyways because no one's ever back there. That wasn't all there before. You want to know why? Nature's thriving. Okay, we're leaving. I swear, this wasn't here earlier. Say goodbye to the fishies one last time. Bye, fishies. Oh, bye, fishies. I have found an exotic animal. Over here, over yonder. I have found an exotic beast chilling in the corner of our backyard. And I'm about to approach it. It seems to be on the hunt and eating grass. But maybe it's just sitting like that because it wants to pounce. Wild things. Here I go. You suck. Okay. What are you doing? This is dangerous. Get out. one time a few years ago, you got stuck in the bush. Go over there. I'm not coming in to grab you. If a bug crawls on my foot, I blame you. I touched something. Ugh. Chills.
Literal chills.
Sometimes I don't like nature. Winter, if I get attacked by another bug again, I'm not coming back to save you. Look. Fire. Was there. It's hot. Wanna know something else? Guess what? If I step in dog poop, I'm gonna cry. We have a tree back here. And guess what? It has never grown. But guess what? We're in quarantine. And guess what? Nature's thriving. Yes, nature. Bugs. It's growing. Okay. Don't like it back here because there's bugs.
Wait for it.
Spider. I don't know what that is, but nature. Nature. Air. I should bring out my kite, but I don't know how to fly a kite. Here. Rex. How do I even open this? It got right there. What are you doing? She just scratched her butt on the pavement. Good. How do you... Oh gosh, I don't know how to do this. No. Stay. Look, it's Kylo Ren. Okay, wait. Oh, cheese and crackers. Maybe I just have to put it inside. Am I dumb? Yes. Okay. Wait, I'm so confused. We're just gonna go inside and figure this out. Because I'm that kind of person that doesn't think ahead. Y'all did it. Yes.
Just start going. Go. Run, Jetta. That didn't work. That's not working. Stop ravening. You're in the air. You gotta keep running.
I'm going to take it out by cars.
That didn't work out. So, what are we doing? Going to the shed to find the bird nest that's in our thing. See? That was stupid. No, if there's anything in it. Scared me.
I know that's what Dad said.
What?
He said, tell her if she's still doing that nature thing, go look at the bird nest and have her make sure she's recording. He goes, I'm pretty sure birds gonna fly out.
I'm gonna kill him.
Are you doing nature still? You should go check out the birds. Did I tell you that?
Yes!
Did you have your camera on?
Yes!
Did you catch it?
Yes!
It scared the crap out of me yesterday. Camera on you.
No.
Water. Earth. Fire. Air.
And that's nature. That was my nature video / quarantine vlog. Yay. The end.